In today's video, I'll show you how to add a pop-up in WordPress using Elementor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. First, make sure both Elementor and Pop-up Maker plugins are installed and activated from the WordPress dashboard. Next, go to the Pop-up Maker menu and create a new pop-up. Customize it with text, images or videos to engage your audience. Then copy the CSS class for your pop-up. Now open the page where you want the pop-up. Click Edit with Elementor, drag in a button widget and customize its style. Under Advanced Settings, paste the pop-up CSS class into the CSS class field. And that's it, your button is now linked to the pop-up. Test it and watch your pop-up appear seamlessly, boosting engagement and conversions.